So, had a little delivery from Clean and Shiny yesterday. Let's go and have a look at what we've got in here. Let's try and open up this box. Don't have a Stanley knife, so I'll be using some kitchen scissors. We'll rip through this plate and we'll gradually open up the box to see what we have inside. What we've got here. As you can see, thoroughly well packaged. There we go, let's open this up. Let's get rid of this receipt, no need for that. Well. We have something from Rupes. We can. In fact, let's take this box down. I'll bring up the actual thing from Rupes in here. Some sweets, which would be nice for someone, not for me. Right, what do we have here? Well, let's get rid of this box. So, oh, that was not good. Scissors fell down. Leave that here to the side. So we've actually got the HLR 15 CB2/BAS. It's the basic kit, I believe, or base kit. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let's open this up. Where are we? Looks like it's going to open up from here. Be gentle, I can be a bit hard-handed with these things. Oh, there we go. Got them here by the looks of things. A bit of tape. Let's cut that tape off. Well, hey, here we go. A couple of compounds. The coarse compound. And the medium cut compound. I don't tend to use Rupes compounds, to be completely honest. Got the Allen key to actually change the backing plate as and when that needs doing. Oh, got a microfiber cloth. I do like the Rupes microfiber cloths, especially for removing compounds. I get on really well with them. I don't tend to get on well with other types of cloths, such as those. What do you call it? Those Kirkland ones. They're not. I don't get on well with them when removing compounds. It's come with 2 batteries. Let's open this up. Have a look what the deal is. I need to place this on charge actually. See if we've got any charge. So we've got 2 bars of charge. So I have to place this on the actual charging machine. Just press that green button once and get 2 lights. Might as well charge both of them whilst I'm at it. I'll get this box in here. The battery pack. I'll leave that in there. Second battery. I have to say the battery does feel a bit weighty, but that's understandable given that it's 5 milliamp per hour. Again, this one's got 2 bars of charge, so I'm going to slap both of these on charge now anyway. Right, okay, let's take these plastic covers off. Chuck them in the box. Chuck the other plastic protective casing in the box as well. In there. It's come with 2 yellow Rupes foam pads. They're pretty good, I do like them. Massive fan of the Rupes pads. This is the yellow wall polishing pad. This is actually one of my favourite pads. It's really good for a single stage. You can cut and finish pretty well without having to do a second stage or a finishing stage. Also comes with a Rupes wool coarse polishing pad. I don't particularly like these that much. Actually, it does look a bit different, this one, compared to what I've got. I don't know how to change this. So you get 2 yellow wool pads. Put these back in. 2 coarse wool polishing pads. I have to say these wool polishing pads, the blue coarse one, looks a bit different to what I've actually got. I want to change it. Yes, it does look a bit different to the one I've actually got. It does feel pretty firm. Maybe they have changed the composition of this wool pad. And lastly, 2 intermediate foam pads. So I believe, in my view, this might be a replacement of the Rupes green foam pad they had years ago, which I actually really liked. I don't know why they stopped making them, but hey ho, maybe this is the replacement for it. Okay, now let's get this actual charger out. Let's see how we're opening this. There we go, inside. Which comes with a charging cable. Actually go ahead and put the batteries on charge now actually. So there. There you go. Whack this on charge actually. In fact, what I might do is I might take only charge one of them. Given that it's got a bit of power, I might as well just try and put it on the machine to give it a test. So it's got an instruction manual in here. I'm not going to bother reading that. I think I know what I'm doing with machines. So just take that out. Put the battery to one side. And this is what we've all been waiting for, the actual machine itself. Yeah, wow. Feels very light. Oh, I'm pretty sure I haven't got the battery on. Let's put the battery on this machine actually. This is going to add a bit more weight to it. There we go. Still got 2 bars. I'll take this protective wrapping off. Let's chuck a pad on this. Actually, I want to chuck an old pad on it. Actually, let's put an intermediate foam pad on. That's how good it goes. Blue light, I don't know if you can see it. say, it's very light. Yeah, I think it's definitely lighter than my Mark II. So, what's the reason I actually bought this, apart from the fact that I'm a gadget kind of guy. I do like buying gadgets, if I must say. Did I need this polisher? Well, yes. Yes and no. I do have a whole host of polishers. I've got the Rupes Millet. I've got the Rupes LHR 50 Mark II. What else? I've got the LHR 75E as well, the corded version. I've never really been a fan of these cordless versions because, to be completely honest with you, I do find that as the battery drains, you experience a loss of power, whereas with the corded tools, it's constant power, there's no loss of power, unless obviously the machine messes up. But yeah, the reason why I actually bought this machine was, aside from it being the latest Rupes machine, because I do actually quite like what the Rupes polishes, was actually my LHR 50 Mark II died on me. Not to say that I can't get it repaired, I'm pretty sure I can. Obviously I'm based in Bedfordshire, and the nearest Rupes repair centre is based in Surrey. Having been on the Rupes website in the UK, I think there's a chap in Surrey that does Rupes repairs. I did actually call him, but I haven't got around to making my way to Surrey. I can't be bothered to post the machine. I'd rather go there and deliver it myself. But yeah, I need to get my LHR 50 Mark II repaired, because for whatever reason it's just decided to not run when plugged in. I have tried changing the fuse, but not sure what the issue could be. Don't know if it's me being heavy-handed, but I did have the machine for about best part of 3 or 4 years, maybe more actually. But yeah, in the interim I thought this would be good to, might as well get a new polisher and also have a stopgap or an interim solution. But yeah, I can easily see myself liking this polisher quite a bit. It's nice, lighter than I think the LHR 50 Mark II. Also, I did watch quite a few videos from Rupes, and aside from having the battery, they will be coming out with a attachment that you can attach to this end where the battery is, and it will come with a cord, so you will have that constant power. So I'll probably look to buy that at some stage. But yeah, they've mentioned that this is redesigned, it's more powerful. The backing plate is different as well compared to the LHR 50 Mark II and Mark III. But yeah, I'll probably give this a use at some stage and report back on how this feels. But yeah, hope you've liked that unboxing, and I'll catch you soon.